Solve the following equation. So when we're solving for linear equations, it's a mixture of order of operations and isolating your variables. So one of the first things that we want to go ahead and do here is we want to first try to distribute the -4 onto everything inside of our parentheses. -4, open parentheses, x plus 3, close parentheses. So we say -4 times x is simply a -4x. And then I say -4 times a positive 3 is a -12, because positive times a negative is a negative. Equals, then we have 7x plus 9. Next, we want to combine like terms. So here we have the 12 and the 9 are like terms, and the -4x and the 7x are like terms. We just want to get one on one side of the equal sign and the other on the other side. So let's go ahead and just start with our regular numbers. So in order to try to get this to the other side of the equal sign, we simply do the opposite. So instead of subtracting 12, we are going to add 12. And whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we need to do to the other side of the equal sign. This way. -12 and a positive 12 cancel out, and then we're left with -4x equals 7x plus 21. Next, we want to continue to combine like terms, so we want to move that 7x over to this side. So once again, we just do the opposite. So instead of it being a positive 7x, we're just going to subtract 7x here and subtract 7x here. Remember, balancing out on both sides of the equal sign. These two cancel out, leaving us now with 21 on this side of the equal sign. And here, because this is a negative and a negative, we're actually going to add both of them together. So then -7 and -4 is a negative, that's right, 11. Good. -11x. Last but not least, we want to isolate our variable or get x by itself. So what is the opposite of multiplying -11 and x? We will divide -11 on, you got it, both sides. Here we now have x on its own equals, then we have 21 over -11, or -21/11. We can also break this down so that it can be a mixed number, because right now it's in improper fraction form. So since it is in improper fraction form, we can always just do a simple division to make it into a mixed number. So we can say 11 goes into 21 once. 1 times 11 is 11. 21 minus 11 is 10. So then since we have nothing else to bring down, it would be 10/11. And since our original answer was a negative, then that means the mixed number is -11. So then overall, our answer is -1 and 10/11.